Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Elton John's Farewell Yellow Brick Road Tour, where master photojournalist Steve Jennings checks out what might be the Rocket Man's final outing. We also just returned from sunny Anaheim with a treasure trove of info on the hottest new sound reinforcement products directly from the NAMM show floor. Don't miss it. And don't miss our highlights of the 2019 Parnelli Awards, where the industry stars come out to shine at the industry's biggest and most prestigious award celebration, with a few upsets and some major surprises. Check it out. We also unveil the 2019 Front of House Gold Star Awards, where we tip our hat to some of the past year's most significant products.
our buyer's guide this month focuses on
Large format line arrays. For those really big gigs, you need some serious firepower. We present the latest offerings and systems with 12 to 15-inch low-frequency packages. This month's installation focus looks at House of Worship projects, where we check out 4 recent church systems that prove that sound can be truly heavenly. In a special feature, we revisit Woodstock 50 years later, where historian John Kane chats with concert audio legend Bill Hanley about assembling the sound system for what is arguably the greatest festival ever presented.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.